are at Shanghai Toy Expo, and I'm here with, what is your names?
My name is Owen.
Okay, and Owen, could you introduce your company to me, please? What's the name of your store?
My company is Heshan Hexie Toys Co.
Very good, and I know that you have been founded in 2017, and you have nearly 25 years of experience creating wonderful puzzles such as this. And you do it in wooden puzzles, plastic, and also paper puzzles. And so I would love to ask you, like, your main products are jigsaws and puzzles, including paper, wood, and plastic. And the markets would include Europe, North America, and also South America. So I would love to say, what is your newest product that you're bringing out this year? I think it's over here, right?
Oh no, this.
Oh, this is your new product. Okay.
It's white paper puzzle.
Okay, so this is a very new, innovative puzzle that I think of. It's plastic.
Yes.
It's a plastic puzzle, and it has many features. It's CCC certified for the plastic. It is non-toxic paint, and also, as you can see, you can lift it up after you're finished, and it will not fall apart. It is pretty cool. You get to show it off to your friends and family, and it's perfect. And yeah, it has non-toxic ink, smooth edges. It's also waterproof, so you can rub it around, you can bring it up, you can put it in water, you can wash it off. It'll be great afterwards. It'll stay in loads of different designs. You have a little cute little cat. You have even like these lamps, these jigsaw lamps, and these jigsaw lamp shades. And I think it's also really beautiful to look at. And you have all these butterflies as well. Okay. So if I was very interested in these products, where could I contact you? Do you have a card that I could show to contact you?
To my car.
Oh, very cool. So this is Heshan Hexie, and this is their card with all the details, with their WeChat and also their email. So thank you for talking with me.
Thank you.
Thank you.